Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the CPU throttling test on the Realme GT smartphone. Yes friends, right now I do have the Realme GT device, so which is of Snapdragon 888 processor, as you can see, 888 processor, and which is a 8GB RAM variant which I'm having right now, as you can see exactly. And this is my day one of using this Realme GT device, and I'm really curious to see how well the CPU throttling will be managed in the highest Snapdragon process, whatever I got in these devices. So that's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate in this video, friends. And in case if you are interested in this kind of videos, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button as well, and don't forget to follow my playlist which I created for the Realme GT. As you can see, this is a playlist which I created that will be clearly helpful for you in case if you plan to buy the device. Right now, in terms of the settings, I'm trying to use as usual settings. I'm trying to increase the maximum threads to 100. As you can see, that is the maximum number of threads you can actually use in this application, in the CPU throttling application, and 15 minutes of time. That's a pretty normal time which I'll be keeping every time, and is the Realme GT. And right now I'm trying to do the CPU throttling without using GT mode. So if you go to the notification, there's an option which is called the GT mode, as you can see. So without using GT mode, I'm trying to do. In the next video, I'll try to do with using GT mode as well. Right now the brightness I did set to the 50% brightness at this point. And let's check the temperatures before starting the test. It's of 31.8 degrees, 32, not bad. My room temperature is about close to 29.8 degrees, my room temperature, and my phone temperature is 32 degrees, as you can see, friends. So let me try to disable this auto run. Yeah, let's get started without wasting any time. And all the background applications are completely clean. Let me try to clear everything from the background applications. As you can see, close all. So all the background applications are completely clean. Let me try to clear. And one more thing, let me try to go to the settings and clean the deep process. So there will be some applications running in the deep process as well. So that those are the things which I need to clean everything. So everything is completely clean, and right now this is a CPU throttling application. Let's start the test. And here we go, friends. And this is my first time doing this kind of throttling test. Even I don't know what will be the result in this phone, in the Realme GT device. Even I am really interested to see what is the throttling effect will be there in this phone. And since it is my day one of using this device, so I'm unable to judge on the day one. So let me give me some time, maybe close to 2 to 3 days of time. So then I'll try to use this phone. Then I can actually come into the conclusion what is happening with the throttling and everything. At this point, as you can see, the temperature is slightly increased a little bit, not much. And the score we are getting about 3 lakhs, not bad at all, I would say. So 3,24,000. So once after the CPU throttling has been finished, then we can actually discuss all the details about this graph. So here what I'm looking after is how much the CPU can be throttled, and what will be the graph color, and how consistent and stability the graph will be there. So that is what I'm trying to look in this video. And temperature 35.6 and backside 34.4. So using the GT mode, maybe that might be the another thing which I need to do very soon. So using the GT mode, will it affect any kind of performance or not? So right now the time is about close to 1 minute only, friends. So again I'll be back after maybe close to 5 minutes of time, then again 10 minutes, then again 15 minutes. So in this way we'll be able to get to know what is happening with the temperatures in this Realme GT device. And meanwhile, don't forget to follow the playlist, and don't forget to subscribe and join my channel as well. So again I'll be back after 5 more minutes of time. So right now, as you can see, it's been close to 7 minutes of time, and the CPU throttle little bit got decreased. As you can see, it's not stable, and the temperature increased to 39.6 degrees, 39.4, not bad. So I did not see anywhere above 40 degrees till now. So that's a good sign, I would say, yes. So I did not see high temperatures till now. So it was below 40 degrees only during this process demonstration, because while doing the Antutu benchmark test, I did see slightly increased temperatures. It went up to 43, even 42 and 43 as well. But while doing the CPU throttling test, I did not see much kind of improvement in terms of the temperatures, but let's see what happens. So the graph slightly decreased, even the overall number also got decreased with the Snapdragon 888 processor in this device. So I need to turn on the GT mode. So then we'll be able to get to know what is the potential of this device completely. When you turn on the GT mode, will it affect any kind of performance or not? So that video I'll try to upload very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos, friends, in case if you're interested to get to know more details. As you can see, friends, right now the time is about close to 10 minutes of time. Let's check what is the temperature right now. It's about 39.4. As you can see, the temperature was remaining exactly normal. So it was around only 39.4 and 39.6, not bad. So I did expect to be frank close to 43 and 44 as well, but it was not like that. So maybe enabling the GT mode might increase the performance and might increase the temperatures, but I'll try to do this video as soon as possible, friends. Make sure to stay tuned. Right now the final score we did get, as you can see friends, these are the final scores which we got, and is the results. So without using any kind of GT mode, we got about 334 of 3,34,000 is the maximum score, and average it did reach up to 3,11,000, and the minimum we got about 2,87,000, as you can see. So I did not see any kind of weird kind of graph happening. So usually in some of the phones what happens is that the graph goes up and down and it will be really inconsistent. That is what I meant, but right now it's kind of really consistent in terms of the graph, as you can see exactly. So there is no red color indication at all, and the CPU total up to 88%. So anything kind of close to 90%, I would say kind of okay. From 85 to 95 it would be really sweet spot for the smartphones. But let's see how the phone will be performing in the next upcoming days as well. That is what I'm going to test. But this is a day one of using without GT mode only. So one thing is that the graph looks slightly less than the iQOO 7 device. iQOO 7 device and other phones, they were able to have slightly better kind of graph. So I'll try to compare with those phones, then you'll be able to understand slightly better what I'm trying to say. But if you compare with the Realme X1 Max, this is better, yes, when compared to the Realme X1 Max. So that's the one thing. And that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So meanwhile, signing off, bye.